Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CreateSpace alternatives using IngramSpark distribution, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching alternative platforms to CreateSpace, focusing on IngramSpark. Next, visit the IngramSpark website to create an account if you don't already have one. Complete the required fields, including your email and a strong password. After registering, log into your IngramSpark account. Select the Start a New Title option to begin adding your book information. Input the title of your book, ensuring accuracy in spelling and formatting. Fill in the author's name as you wish it to appear on the cover and title page. Decide on the book's format, such as paperback or hardcover, and select the appropriate specifications. Upload the interior manuscript file in the recommended formats, such as PDF or docx. Ensure your manuscript meets IngramSpark's formatting guidelines to avoid any errors. Proceed to upload your book cover file, also following their specified guidelines. Use the cover template provided by IngramSpark to format your cover correctly. Once the cover and interior files are uploaded, you can preview how your book will appear. Input the keywords and categories that best fit your book to enhance discoverability. Set the pricing for your book, considering both retail and wholesale prices. Select distribution channels for your book, including options for broad distribution. Complete any additional information required, such as your book's description and author bio. Review all entered information carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. Submit your book for review and wait for confirmation from IngramSpark. After approval, your book will be available through the selected distribution channels. Monitor your book's performance and sales through your IngramSpark dashboard. Make necessary updates or changes by accessing your account as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.